have a bird.
This is a hungry
Papa
bird.
said I was-
Came to visit us, and we decided to feed it. This bird looks a little not doing all that well. This bird cannot fly, so it's been here, and
a bird, Dad? What is good there? The thunder.
Julia, are you happy that we're feeding the bird?
Yes, I
You're happy?
want a bird.
Yeah. It's a nice bird. I don't think the bird can fly, so at least we gave it some food. Just, again, the bird is not clean, so we shouldn't touch the bird, but we can still be friendly to the bird like we're doing now.
My nails like that.
PETA would be proud of us. When you consider some cultures probably would actually capture the bird, cook it, and then make a meal out of it, but we're humanitarians at heart and animal lovers. Yet another reason why I don't like to eat poultry.
No, don't be cooked that bird. It's Where's Popo?
Look here, nice sunset. Wow, look at the sky. Very nice sunset, Julia. Nice sunset. Here we are on our balcony. It's sunset. Bye.